on miss. I mean, fall. Oh, that's not right now. Boards are like right here, so you know.
There, you have to probably do a little crab to get the whole buggy over. Do a little more crab. More crab. More crab. Crab! That's not crab, Kyle.
Turn off the crab because I turned off the thing, so.
Yeah, but when I tell you crab, that means back up. See if it'll back up.
The back wheel. Not gonna back up.
Well, you're not supposed to put it in a hand. You're supposed to be a good driver. That's why you gotta practice. Don't be moving it with your hand. And do a little crab. Watch the front tires too. You got it. Just go super slow. Don't turn too fast. Watch the back wheels. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. There you go. Your fronts are on the rocks, so keep the back ones on the sticks. See? That wasn't that hard.
Now I want to come back up here.
See if you can get up on there.
I need help. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard. Super hard.
You want to straighten out the back of the buggy. So go rear steer only and make the back go over a little bit. Alright, go straight. You have to back up. You have to get this one flat on top. It'll back up. Oh, there you go. I'm hoping I'm recording it. I can't see because of the sunlight. Rear steer over. Rear steer. Back tires only. There you go. Right. Control going down. Slow. Looks like I need to set the drag brake some more. Because remember, it's going to slide because it's in the rocks. Keep this one on top, flat on top. Keep your left tire on top of your left side. There you go. Start lining up the back. Like do rear steer only, back tires only. Turn, there you go, turn that way. Line it up coming down. Turn it a little bit to the front. Turn the front. Get it back up on top. Just front only. Front only. Because I think it's about to slide off. Back up. Turn the wheels the other way and back up. Other way, other way. Ah! See if it'll back up. not my rock crawler.
If the stick was like same, it would
Yeah,
be
but-
easier.
Yeah, but that's not, you don't want it to be same. You gotta want it to be challenging and you learn how to drive it. Now try it.
So,
There you go. You got the front good. Keep the front edge on it, just like that. Keep the front tires just like that. Turn over a little bit. There you go. There you go. All right, go to a little.
like that?
I'd go a little bit of crab. There you go. Keep going. It looks like it'll climb up there. All right, now straighten it out. Just go a little. Keep going a little bit of crab. Get that tire back up on there. Back up. You're gonna. No, not back up the rock crawler. You need to back up. Here, I'll reset it.
Like, I was trying to keep going, but it like.
Yeah, I gotta set the drag brake because it rolled back out. Come on.
Can't go.
Huh?
Oh, it's out of battery.
It's out of battery?
Uh-huh. I can't go right now. I'm putting this.
Well, let off. See, that's how you want to get your tires, because this will keep it from sliding off, because it's hooked right here, and then that's where you want to get up on the boards. See if it'll go. It's out of battery.